One time we used to hold panty in our hand. So we used to hold the panty and the brassiere in our hand. I hold it like this. We used to hold it up in our hand and walk around. $100 panty, $300 brassiere. That's how we do it. I will still try to say, but we not stop.
People today we're down on the south side with Alex.
Yeah.
Cheap and clean boss.
Same way.
Yeah man. Brother, one of the hottest clothes seller
Right
on the south side.
Yeah.
What you do with Alex?
Boy, I'm there in the street, I go on the right, you know, as usual. Every day we out and I do it. You know, so I have to do it for 3 youth them. But my son AJ, and my next son named Sean Penny. And my daughter named Alexandra Walker. I have to do it for all 3 of them, is it? Yeah, I'm going to do it same way I help out. My baby mother them same way, is it?
How long have you do this, sir?
Yo, I do this more than 4 years now still, you know.
Yeah.
Is it?
Tell me, for the people them who they are, how you get started? What make you get started?
Well, back in them time there, I go high school and my mother never really have it like that, you see. My mother was a hustler, see me. My mother a street side vendor, you see it. And now my mother still a vendor, you see me?
Yeah.
And so, in them time, you know, I go to school, my mother say, boy, my son, not really dead. You see me, but you don't know. You have to try a little thing to my mother, buy 2 little panty and brassiere give me. And give me one of them little stroller, them little pram, the baby pram.
Yeah.
And from there, so, I used to sell panty and brassiere right up a Lawman's, this so. Lawman's clothes store.
Yeah.
That's where I come from. I shoot around from downtown to uptown, same way. All around the place, more time. On Sunday, I sell. I got strap bogey and them little places all over South me there. You see me, and from there so now, I tell myself, say, boy, I have to do it hustling now because at the end of the day, one time when mommy call up for me and say she want this or she want that, more time mommy say, boy, she want a little change, my little brother them to go to school, see me. You see me, I have to give my mother a little thing. You see it? Because I don't know mommy that.
For real.
You see me, sometimes nothing not to go and sometimes she go up on the road and nothing not sell. And me sell a little dollar and can give her same way. You see it?
Time when you touch all the street and nothing to sell, how you balance up?
Well, and every time you go come on the road and something sell. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. But what I always try to do, always try to put up something one side for rainy day.
Yeah.
See how small it be. You see me? Because you have beers to come on the road and the rain does fall right through the week. You must have food up in our house, so at all time you have to always make sure say food there for everybody.
Yeah.
You see it? So sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. But still, my thing now, I never stop trying because I love it hustling. I'm a youth, I don't like sit down and rehearse, I don't like beg. You see me? I don't like beg, I like hustle for my own. You see it? So that's why I call myself cheap and clean and cheap boss. You see myself?
Why you call yourself cheap and clean?
Well, why I call myself cheap and clean? Because when I look at it, COVID coming, I see from COVID coming, the country set away. Everything gone down. You see it? I fight the country up here, I fight to come back right now, and it still not come back as all the people them that want it. Because enough local people, but they in them big job. Now them big work, out of work right now. Most of who you see on the street side right now, 3/4 of them have them qualification. Enough people there on the street side have them subject and them choose to come hustle. You see it? So hustling thing is just a hobby for any local body. Anybody can do hustling. But as I always say, you know, watch the nice eye market, you watch the correct change. Because first thing you have to can check. That's the most important thing. You have to
check fast.
You have to check fast and you have to have a head on your body. Without the knowledge and the understanding of the street, and everybody have street knowledge.
Yeah.
That's the next thing again. You have to have street knowledge, you have to street smart. So it's all about the street and you have to love what you do. Because if me never love what I do, But only show me card from way up arena football field up there, so come down and say every morning, every day.
How far you feel that distance a bit? You push cart every day?
Boy, that far for me, you know.
For real?
Far. That right now, to me, that far than 2 miles when you're there at town and I go and say I walk 2 miles.
For real?
And you know, it's 2 miles far.
And you push it come all the way at the end of Great George Street?
I'm push it all the way come in a Great George Street. Every day. So at the end of the day...
7 days a week you depend on it?
7 days a week.
Real?
So I have to give thanks here, man. I make a little dollar, I don't complain. Sometimes I come on road and I can't give thanks here, man. I go in and I go in with a little chain. I say, boy, Father God, I give thanks. Yeah. Sometimes copy, sometimes tea. But at the end of the day, we are forward from a stage where we are sell panty. I want to look at Charlie, and I want to look at crate. You see it? One time we used to hold panty in our hand. So we used to hold the panty and the brassiere in our hand. I hold it like this. We used to hold it up so in our hand. And walk around. $100 panty, $100 $300 brassiere. That's how we do it. I will still try to say, but we not stop.
Why you say to a youth, like a young youth who want to start, but feel like I say, boy, them care about what people say, cause the girl them are going to say them a push cart or them kind of thing there. Why you say to a youth when they come?
Well, I would have said to a young youth, keep your head up. Now focus on people or what people want to say, because if you focus on people or what people are going to think about you, you're not going to reach nowhere in life. You have to stay focused and you have to be persistent. You have to tell yourself what you want. And you have to love what you do. If you don't love what you do, you're not going to do it.
Really?
Because I love my local hustling. Because my local hustling feed me, take care of my youth, take care of my family them. You see it? All of my life, me always, every day I pray. Because I always tell myself, say, boy, God, one day, you know, one day I'm going to do it the real way, where I can help out my family them the real way, and help my friend them same way. You hear that? And help my two baby mother them. Because at the end of the day, we are doing it for youth them. Do it for youth them, not just me alone. We are doing it for the whole family. You hear that? So I just love where I deal with it. Coming on the street, I love where I deal with it.
Alex?
Yeah.
All right, here the next question I have for you now. What you feel, say, people, blessed love, fam. Blessed love. Why you feel, say, people come at your style more than some other man's style?
Well,
what your energy and your vibe to make people come at you?
Well, I'm not going to say I'm my style alone them come. But as I tell you, say, I the love. You see, when me are hustling on the street, my formula when we use is that I always say, God a God. God in a them here. Say me a sell, I jump up with all my things and make be a loud noise. God a God, God a God. You see me? I say God a God. Cheap and clean there. A cheap and not there. 100, 200, 300, 500. You see it? From town days we do this. Me I do this from there Princess Street. You hear that? Me I do this long time from there town till reach down here. You understand? We used to party one youth named Damien. He sell jeans pants. You understand? How we there Princess Street and run up and down when police are run up and down with their Princess Streets. I hear that more time me and Damien can't agree. You see me? We don't left Damien and I come a country and I say, boy, I'm there and my mother say, yo, in the street again. You see it? We never give up, man. Never give up. We are try to see me. We know persistent do it thing. You see it? Persistent. We just have to keep going at all time and put God first. Because if God not in it, nothing can go on.
Cheap and clean, boss.
Cheap and clean, boss.
Alex.
Same something.
And the man up on the street, people, 7 days a week. And if you can measure the length of Great George Street, go all the way downtown, the man push the cart. Let me show them the cart, Alex.
Oh God, man, show them the cart.
Deja que los cuerpos hablen, no hace falta más. Sí, ya muy bien tú sabes lo que va a pasar. Si conmigo te dejas llevar.
Yeah.
So where you get supplies?
Well, you know, see, a town, I buy them. Buy them a town, you know. Buy them a town and come put a little price on them. We not try to kill the people. You see? We try to kill the people. You see me? Have all the little base to them you can use in your house, kitchen-wise, bathroom-wise, 300. Have all them little just the same way, $1,000. And them little graduation just we sell for $2,500 same way. Because we not kill nobody, you know. A cheap and clean. You see it? Every woman be clean. Yeah, man.
Come up with the tagline, cheap and clean.
Well, from the town, you know. I will know town running stay. Yeah, the town here, near to your wholesale. You buy one, look, you buy the dress, and you buy it for $500. You say $700, you can run, go back, go buy and come back.
See?
You see it? But me in the town, I serve, so you know I can't run, go wholesale, go catch nothing. But what? I try to put it on a local price so I know so everybody can afford it. Yeah. Because we don't see how the country set already. Country gone away, no money not too there. You see it? Money not too there. So you know, say people have to buy market food, they have to buy snacks and juice with the youth, them see them, youth have to go back to school. So when they come to market and them see something with them like, when them come they see cheap and clean, they say they not gonna pass it. They gonna grab one look nice little blouse, one nice little dress. You see it? So it reasonably price me, it better for you. Cheap.
Why you decide to use a card than like a pickup or a bike or why you go with the hand card?
Well, we tell you the truth, father. As I tell you, say, we don't have it like that. Yeah. But in time to come, God is going to make we have something, but we have to start from scratch. We have to start from nothing to something.
Start from the start.
You see me? We have whole heap of idea in our head. So we use the idea we have in our head and put out the thing, because overall, how you present the thing. Right? So you can present the thing where you have, people will come, people will see it. And once you think cheap, majority of people will come in, come buy.
How you deal with customers that come in and sometimes they're rude or no manner? How you deal with that part?
No.
As a Jamaica, we know that thing they go.
Alright, you see the main thing, you have to have good customer service. And when I say good customer service, you have to wage how you talk to people. Right? You have to show them smile. You have to reason with them calm and intelligently. You have to talk to them decent. So a lady will come and say, how much would that dress here? I'm saying, no, say, mommy, $1,000 for dress. And she said, like really? I'm saying, yeah man, $1,000. Some we buy, some we not buy. But watch this now. How we do it now, we not pass no money. Yeah. So if she come and she have $900, me not gonna pass it. Me not gonna make $100, make me not sell nothing. Because at the end of the day, we not put down nothing in our people in pocket. You see it? We not put nothing in them pocket. So why we call ourselves cheap and clean? Because what? When the store man we pass $1, we up on the roadside, we not gonna pass no dollar. Because every dollar counts. You see it? Yeah.
And more blessings, you know.
Same way, man.
And just go and hang your bang, my brother.
Oh, God, man, a heart of love, you know, a good over evil.
And as you say, just hold your head up all the while.
Same way.
And again, no watching eyes like marketing, brother.
No, carrot change.
Blessed love.
Same way, man. Peace.
Alex, the cheap and clean boss people, serve with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So anytime you come and serve, just look for him from Reno football field to down a market 7 days a week. Cheap and clean, original Cheap Charlie.
Cheap Charlie.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
So until we link again, people, Jamaica Uncut.
Yeah.